everybody, Mike McIntyre here, back from All Things Sports, bringing you a brand new video. I hope you enjoyed the intro. Today I have a brand new review of the new Apple Watch Series 7 in the Nike edition. So let's get into this brand new review. I was very lucky to win this, guys. My girlfriend entered some survey at work and she won the Apple Watch Series 7. She has the Series 6, she upgraded last year, so I was very lucky that she said, you know, do I want it? Sure enough, I said yes, but I was very, very lucky, so thank you, Monica, for giving it to me because you really didn't have to do that. But this video is going to be about if I think you should upgrade and who I think the Apple Watch Series 7 is for. So let me tell you a little bit about the one I got. I picked up the 45mm Midnight Nike Edition Apple Watch with the midnight blue band. I came from the Series 2. I had the black aluminum casing with the black sports band. So this is a little bit different for me. It's new, it's cool, it's fresh, and I think it actually looks really good in this midnight color. I like the Nike band and it looks really, really good. So it's the 45mm casing. I had the large size in the Series 2, but that was a 42mm casing. So for me, it's gonna be a huge difference in terms of screen size. We already had a screen update on Series 4, I think it was, where the corners just stretched out a little bit. We got slightly larger screens, you know, thinner bezels, all within a little bit of a redesigned casing. I was on the original casing. This time, they've even bumped the screen size up again to 45mm. So for me, it's a huge jump. It's gonna be a huge jump in performance. I have the ECG on here. There's a bunch of different features that I never had on the Series 2. Do you absolutely need to upgrade to the latest Apple Watch? Obviously not. This is a personal preference thing on, you know, and budget comes into it too. Do you want to spend the money on the latest edition, or can you make do with what you have, is the reality of this sort of question. For me, again, coming from Series 2 to Series 7, or even a Series 3, you're getting a brand new casing, you're getting a brand new screen. That alone, in my opinion, with the performance updates, is probably a reason to upgrade. But if you have a Series 5, or if you have a Series 6, I think if you have a Series 6, there's absolutely no need to upgrade your watch to the Series 7. If you have a Series 5, it's kind of up to you. If you want to spend the money, then go for it. But even at a Series 5, I honestly don't think it's necessarily worth upgrading to the brand new Series 7. If you have a 4 or below, you're getting a little bit more performance updates, obviously the ECG, these kind of features like that. You're getting this nice new casing, updated watch, updated OS, watch OS. But before that, from a Series 2 perspective, that's what I had, don't forget. From a Series 2 perspective, it's definitely worth the upgrade in my opinion. I couldn't even update my watch operating system to the latest edition because it was so old. So for me, it was a no-brainer. It was about time to upgrade. I had been thinking about it. If I didn't do it this year, I would have done it next year. So brand new Apple Watch Series 7. I think it's worth the upgrade for a Series 2, Series 3, and possibly a Series 4. But a 5 and 6, definitely a 6. I don't think you need to upgrade. There's really not that much different here in the Series 7. Series 5, it's kind of if you can, you know, swing the money and if you're just really wanting to upgrade. In terms of some of the options that are offered, I'm disappointed that they don't have a black casing in the aluminum, you know, finish. I think the aluminum is probably without doubt the most popular one. The stainless steel is a little bit more expensive, and then of course you have these titanium and ceramic options or whatever it is at the high end. I don't even remember anymore. But I think the aluminum one is definitely the most common. I just think they should have a black option. They've moved away from their silver and black. We have this starlight, this green, this midnight navy, a red and a blue. I think the midnight is basically black. So if you're only looking at it quickly, it kind of comes across as black. So for me, that's what I wanted. I wanted something as close to black as I possibly could. If you're like that, go for the midnight. You really don't notice that it's blue. I think this midnight band is helping to kind of show off the fact that it is a blue watch. But again, it's very difficult to see, and unless you're kind of looking for it, it does look really black. So if you want the black edition watch, you go for midnight. Some of the other colors, I think they look cool, but I think they're too trendy. I don't think they're gonna last very long. I'm not someone that's going to update this every single year. If you are, then who cares? You can get whatever color you want. But I think most people are buying this and trying to get a few years out of it. I got 5 years out of my last watch, a Series 2. I use this every single day for work. I like having a smartwatch. It's something that I use for fitness. It's something that I use at work. Given that I'm using the timer, the alarm, all these different features every single day for work, I think it's, you know, I even use the music controls for work. So I think it's something that I personally like having, and I use it for fitness, obviously. If you're not in that boat and it's just something that you want to have, or you are interested in tracking your fitness, it's definitely something that is really, really cool to have. So that is pretty much it. It's a little bit of a review that's kind of all over the place, but the bottom line is, do you need to upgrade? If you have a Series 1, 2, or 3, I think it's definitely worth the upgrade, and I wouldn't even think twice about going to the Series 7. The screen and the upgraded kind of chip inside, the performance benefits are going to be just so much better than the Apple Watch Series 2 or 3 or whichever one you had. For me, I'm expecting this thing to just run much smoother, you know, in terms of the interface and all of that. I think everything's going to be crisper, sharper, cleaner, and the screen alone is something that's going to be very, very different, especially with the always-on display. I never had that back on the Apple Watch Series 2. So that's pretty much it for my review. Please leave a like down below if you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Make sure you do all that jazz because we need to get this channel bigger. I'm Mike McIntyre, All Things Sports, signing off for now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and peace.